Imagine stepping out onto your balcony or into a small sunny corner of your home and harvesting fresh, vibrant bitter melon, crisp, organic, and bursting with nutrients without ever owning a traditional garden. Sounds impossible. Most beginners think bitter melon needs sprawling land and complicated care. But the truth is, with the right method, you can grow abundant bitter melon anywhere, even in the smallest urban space. And today, you're about to discover that simple, powerful secret. Bitter melon, also known as bitter gourd, is one of the most rewarding vegetables you can grow. It's fast-growing, highly productive, and thrives in warm climates, making it perfect for many regions across the United States, especially during spring and summer. But here's what most people get wrong. They focus too much on space and not enough on structure. The secret isn't land, it's vertical growing and smart container gardening. Let's break it down step by step so even if you've never grown a plant before, you can succeed. Start with choosing the right container. Bitter melon has a strong root system, so you'll need a pot that's at least 12–18 inches deep and wide. Bigger is always better. Use containers with proper drainage holes because waterlogging is one of the quickest ways to kill your plant. Fabric grow bags work exceptionally well because they allow roots to breathe and prevent overwatering issues. Now let's talk soil, the foundation of everything. Bitter melon loves rich, well-draining soil. A perfect mix includes garden soil, compost, and coco coir or peat moss. Add a handful of perlite or sand to improve drainage. The goal is to create soil that holds moisture but never becomes soggy. Healthy soil equals healthy roots, and healthy roots mean tons of fruit. Plant your seeds about ½ an inch deep. If you want faster results, soak the seeds in water for 12–24 hours before planting. This softens the outer shell and speeds up germination. Within 5–10 days, you'll see little green shoots emerging, a moment every gardener loves. Now comes the secret method. That changes everything: vertical support. Bitter melon is a climbing vine, not a bush. If you let it sprawl, it wastes energy and produces fewer fruits. But when you train it upward using a trellis, net, or even a simple string system, the plant becomes more productive. Vertical growth improves sunlight exposure, airflow, and pollination, all of which directly increase yield. Place your plant where it gets at least 6–8 hours of sunlight daily. Bitter melon thrives in warm temperatures between 70° F and 95° F. If you live in cooler regions, start indoors and move the plant outside once temperatures rise. This plant loves heat, so don't be afraid of sunny spots. Watering is where many beginners make mistakes. Bitter melon needs consistent moisture but hates sitting in water. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. During hot summer days, you may need to water daily. Early morning is the best time. It allows the plant to absorb moisture before the heat of the day. Avoid watering leaves in the evening to prevent fungal diseases. Feeding your plant properly will dramatically boost your harvest. Start with compost-rich soil, then add a balanced liquid fertilizer every 10–14 days. Once flowering begins, switch to a fertilizer higher in phosphorus and potassium. This encourages more blooms and fruit production rather than just leafy growth. Pruning is another powerful but often ignored technique. When your vine reaches about 5-6 feet, pinch off the growing tip. This encourages side branches, which produce more flowers and fruits. Remove yellow or damaged leaves regularly to keep the plant healthy and focused on growth. Pollination is key for fruiting. Bitter melon produces separate male and female flowers. Bees usually handle pollination. But if you're growing indoors or in a low pollinator area, you can hand pollinate using a small brush. Simply transfer pollen from male flowers to female flowers. It takes less than a minute and can double your yield. Now let's tackle common problems so you don't get discouraged. If your plant has lots of flowers but no fruits, the issue is usually poor pollination. Try hand pollinating or attracting bees with companion flowers. If leaves turn yellow, it could be overwatering or nutrient deficiency. Check your watering schedule and consider adding compost or fertilizer. Pests like aphids and spider mites can appear, especially in warm weather. A simple solution is spraying neem oil or a mild soap solution on leaves. This keeps pests away without harming your plant. If fruits become deformed or drop early, inconsistent watering is often the cause. Stick to a regular watering routine to keep the plant stress-free. Harvesting is the most exciting part. Bitter melon grows fast and fruits are usually ready 2-3 weeks after flowering. Pick them while they are still green and firm. If you wait too long, they turn yellow and become overly bitter. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce even more fruits. Now imagine this: one healthy vine can produce dozens of bitter melons in a single season. And when you grow vertically in containers, you can fit multiple plants even in a small space. That's how you turn a balcony into a mini farm. This method is not just about growing food. It's about independence, health, and satisfaction. You control what goes into your food. No chemicals, no preservatives, just pure, homegrown goodness. And the best part, once you master bitter melon, you can apply the same technique to other climbing vegetables like cucumbers, beans, and gourds. So if you've ever felt like you couldn't grow your own food because you don't have a garden, now you know the truth. You don't need land. You just need the right method. Start small. Stay consistent. Learn as you grow, and soon you won't just be growing bitter melon. You'll be growing confidence, skill, and a deeper connection with nature. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.